The only iPhone home screen you will ever need? Here's the only iPhone home screen setup you'll ever need. First, remove apps you don't use every day. Press and hold any app on your home screen, then tap Remove App. Next, choose Remove from Home Screen. This won't delete the app, it simply moves it to the app library, making your home screen much cleaner. Now, organize your most used apps. Keep only the apps you use every day, such as phone, messages, camera, Safari, mail, and settings on your first home screen. Next, create folders for similar apps. Simply drag one app on top of another to create a folder. For example, you can make folders named Social, Work, Photography, Entertainment, Shopping, and Finance. Now, let's add some useful widgets. Press and hold an empty area on the home screen. Tap the plus button in the top right corner. Choose widgets like weather, calendar, battery, clock, or reminders. Resize and arrange them to match your style and daily needs. And that's it. With fewer apps, organized folders, useful widgets, and a clean layout, your iPhone home screen will look great and be much easier to use every day. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, tricks, customization ideas, and how-to tutorials.